Welcome to Stanley, Scuba, Sailing, and Adventures. Thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
I closed the boat up for hurricane season and brought the outboard engine home so I could tune it up. I quickly realized I'd need to build an outboard engine stand so that I could work on it. After a couple searches and reviewing what some other folks had done, I decided to draw up my own plans. As you can see here, my plan consisted of using 4 2x4s and cutting them into 4, 3, and 2-foot sections. I then connected the 2 4-foot uprights to the 3-foot bottoms. I used a couple of 2-foot sections to connect the uprights. I then used a couple more 2-foot sections to connect the uprights at the top, creating a platform on which to mount the outboard engine. Next, I added the stabilizers with 45-degree cuts on both ends. I didn't feel I had enough stabilization, so I added some additional 2-foot sections. Still unhappy with this stabilization, I decided to use the 45-degree angle scraps to create additional stabilization on the bottom. This worked wonderfully, and I probably could have skipped the other 2-foot cross sections I'd used. The engine fit well on the stand, and things were coming together nicely. I put the earmuffs on to see how they'd fit on the stand. I posted a picture on Facebook, and a friend advised me that earmuffs were not the best way to fine-tune the idle on my outboard engine, which was my ultimate goal. He advised me that the best way to fine-tune the idle was to use a bucket, so I proceeded to add a step to put the bucket on to my stand. And here's the finished product, ready to start tuning. This is what the revised design looked like before adding the step for the bucket. I'm not entirely pleased with how the step for the bucket turned out, but that's all I had enough wood to build, and it should work fine. Thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for the engine tuning video coming up.